I just turned the camera on. How is it dying already? When I put these tattoos on my neck, I was like, dost thou tempt me? The first time you do bangs, they're good, but after that, it's over. they had their moment. They're worse off. I extended this necklace from Shein. It has that fire design. It's like a choker, like it literally chokes you though. I made it longer and I made it too long. Now it's all the way down my back. What's up guys, or welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. There was this thing called the boy beat a couple of years ago. I actually did a video with that, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was created by Beyonce's makeup artist. Just like this natural, enhance your features, more like a sculpted type of look. I'm gonna be incorporating that, but instead of course calling it a tomboy. Growing up, I used to always be a tomboy. I mean, I used to hang out with guys that ride hard. I mean, ride on like bicycles really hard. I actually fell and got hurt one time. Also, I used to hang out with a guy that did four-wheeling and dirt biking, and I wanted to be on the back of it. And I also rode on a skateboard, so yeah. Story time. Well, it's not like really a story time, but it's just like a quick little thing. I think most girls start their period in middle school. I know that's when I started mine, and I think it was like the year right before I went to high school, and my mom was like, well, you're gonna have to start carrying around purses and stuff like that. I was like, look, I will put the pad in my back pocket or in my shirt. Like, I do not need a purse. And now I'm like obsessed with just buying a purse, but I was never that way. Like, I put my wallet in my back pocket. That's my quick little tomboy story for you. What did I call it in that one video? I was, oh my gosh, tom girl. You're kind of like a tomboy, but you still have, you've tapped into your feminine side, you know, but you have that tomboy appeal about you. That's what I'm going with. Oh my gosh, look at this mess. I just thought, why not put tattoos on? I put the fake tattoos here. Two on my neck, one right here, and this one is actually a spider, which I don't know what I was thinking of because I am terrified of spiders. Someone might think they seen their cousin on my neck. And then I have two right here. I love these types of tattoos. I'm thinking about doing a video drawing tattoos I want. If you guys want to see that, well, I think I might do it anyway, whether you guys want to see it or not. And I'm gonna get me some, but I was like, dost thou tempt me when I put these tattoos on my neck? But I just need to find someone that I trust, because right now it's hard to know who's good and who's not. I think I'm gonna put the hat on today, but I think I'm gonna put the scarf on so I'm not tempted to do anything to my little two head. I mean, it looks like I have a long widow's peak. Like, I'm tempted to get these neck tattoos. And I did a video with it, on it, doing it, using it. Hair, do not get caught in the back of this scarf. Don't try me. It's like you're gonna pull it through and there goes your hair. I love like doing this style of scarf with a white scarf. Like this style, how you wrap it around like this with a white scarf, because it reminds me of Aaliyah. Okay, let me tell you guys why I said it like that.
Aaliyah is our guest. Am I saying your name right? I am, right?
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.
Yes.
I say Aaliyah. It's Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.
Like Muhammad Aaliyah. I got it.
So I've been pronouncing it wrong all of this time, and I know how it feels to have your name mispronounced like crazy. I want to get it right. Aaliyah. Aaliyah. They are really thick right now, but that's not what I was going for. I used the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade 315 Deep Brown. This is the one I was using when my brows were thicker and I didn't shave the ends to make them straighter. So this makes them a little bit thicker. I didn't want to use my Oma by Sharon C one that I love using, because I was like, my brows may get messed up anyway when I go to put this hat on after. I'm going to take the scarf off. I'm not going to put the hat on top of the scarf. This is my favorite hat. I wear it all the time. It has Adidas right here, and then on the back it has the 3 stripes. It's so cute. By the way, I also have tattoos on my hands too. I'm going to be using very minimal product, which is probably what I should have did in that other video. It was the Bella Hadid and heavily influenced clean girl makeup. That's what it was. And I feel like I used a little too much product in that video for the look I was supposed to be going for, so I'm gonna try to keep it bare in this video. I'm gonna start with the Morphe Eyelid Primer Translucent, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, this one has a little bit of color correcting properties to it. And also, if you have oily eyelids, using some sort of clear translucent primer can help that all day. Sachet the oils away. I'm not going to apply any eyeshadow or anything, even though I do think I need to clean up my brows, because my gosh. So I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Even if you were like going for that tomboy look, most guys have natural long lashes. If you don't want to go in with something like this that can be very noticeable if you have longer... Oh damn, that scared me. You can always use a lash primer that dries clear. A lash primer is like a base coat for your mascara to help lengthen, maybe even make them voluminous and full. I used to use a Lancome one and it was really, really good. And I'm only gonna apply it on the top lashes, because that will also kind of help to keep from looking like you're wearing makeup. Alright, so very natural. Like I said, I'm not applying lashes, eyeshadow, highlighter, or any of that. Oh, I can't stand when my scarf starts riding up. I'm gonna apply 2 concealers: the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Stick Concealer in the shade Medium 39, and the Lip Bar Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs one to spot conceal, and the Lip Bar's concealer to apply under the eyes. And no, I'm not gonna, should I put it? Yeah. I'm gonna apply it on the back of my hand. I was gonna use it right off the brush, but it'll give it some time to kind of warm up on the back of my hand. I'm not gonna use a sponge or a brush, because a sponge will soak up too much product and then I'll have to keep applying more, and then a brush will keep too much product and then I'll feel like I have to use a sponge to take it away. So use your finger to warm up the product and it'll melt in the skin a little bit more. I'm also gonna apply, I didn't even apply any, I'm just gonna spray my face with the Fenty. I actually didn't plan on wearing primer, and that's probably why I forgot it, but I'm just gonna use this as like a primer mist. Shoot, I hope I don't peel off these tattoos. I'm gonna have to remember to get that off. I didn't even know I got mascara on my lids. Take the concealer and tap it on the sides of the nose as well. Maybe a little over the nose. And then I also have a scar right here that never went away. I hate when scars pop up and I can't get rid of them. I mean, not scars, but I hate when I get a scratch and it becomes a scar and I can't get rid of it. Let's see, where am I at now? Stick concealer. I don't know if it's still available, but just take any stick concealer that is close to your skin tone, has a little bit more coverage, and just conceal certain areas, especially where you have a lot of acne at. Yeah, I'm still wearing my mask, so it's causing a lot of acne. But I'm trying to drink as much water, so to combat the maskne, drink some water. And of course, this look is good for anyone. Oh shoot, what did I just do? Not just a tomboy, but for anyone that wants to do a no makeup look, because especially in the summertime, oh my gosh, don't nobody want to wear no makeup. Like, I know I rarely wear makeup as it is, but especially in the summertime, when that makeup started melting off, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it with the mask. Out here in this 80-degree weather with a mask on, it's like I'm about to pass out. From e.l.f., I'm gonna use Bahamas, which is the orange blush, and Honey Drip, which is the bronzer. And again, using my finger for everything, this will help it to melt in the product. And I'm just going to tap this on because of course I need to slim out these features, child. We didn't sit up here and eat all this stuff, drink all of this drink. No. Just to not contour back out. I don't know about you guys, but I know when I gain weight, it goes like straight to my face. You got every place below to go to, but you want to stay up high, really? Take it on the sides, and this shade is really light for me, so that'll help to give like a natural contour. My hollows of my cheekbone, you see how it's like dark right there? I naturally have like those hollows. Like obviously if I lost weight, I'm pretty sure I would have a more sculpted face. I can see that. Until then, gotta do what you gotta do. They have more of a matte finish, so if you didn't want to set them with powder to keep it even more natural looking, you don't have to. And it's just like a nice little orange blush. The Laura Mercier translucent honey powder. Just go in with like a light powder, something either translucent or close to your skin tone. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little brush and just focus this like right in the places where you crease at or get oily. Okay, so I think that that's pretty much all I am gonna apply. No, I take it back. Let me apply some right here, because I crease really bad right in this area. I'm not gonna go in with any highlighter or powder blush or anything, but I'm gonna use the Juvia's the Juvia's. It's like I didn't change up the name of the company. Okay, the Juvia's Place Bronze. That would have Bronze would have went with Juvia's. Medium bronzer duo. And I'm gonna use only the top one. This has a more neutral undertone and it's a little too light for me, so that'll kind of help to add just a little bit of something, because like I said, I like to be extra defined and contoured. And then let me just like put a little bit in the hollows of the cheekbone, because oh, wait a minute. I love like that. Oh my gosh, like I want that. I need that.
I have to have that.
Okay, that's enough. If you are looking for some lips, take your lip liner. Oh, I need to sharpen this. Dang. This is the LA Girl Shockwave in the shade Gingerbread. It's really light, so it's more natural on me. I still have a lot of chips. Just take a natural lip liner to define that area. It looked like it went on top and added a mustache. Okay. Once you have it naturally defined, I have the Maybelline Baby Lips, and this is the color, well this is Coral Crush. It'll just give me a natural flush on the lips. I used to love these baby lips. Like I collected every color until they started coming out with some different ones that made no sense to the line. I think they were like the black in a black tube, and I did not like those. I stuck with these. This lip liner did not do squat in the first place, so I don't even know why I'm going back in with it. For an extra step for me personally, I love the look of piercings. Now, I am going to get tattoos. I don't know about piercings though. But if you've been on my channel for a while now, then you know that I love like the faux piercing look. Like for an eyebrow piercing, a nose piercing, and a chin. I don't like the piercing up here anymore. Is that called a septum or something like that? Because I just don't think it looks right on me. Is there still glue on this? Oh, I think there's still glue. Oh yes, there's still glue on some of them, so I don't even have to like put any lash glue. That one may be a little too big. I think I'm just gonna insert some pictures of the hat one so you could just see like the full outfit or whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full outfit. And can you guys believe that not one piece of article of clothing that I have on right now is men's? Like everything is women's except for the necklace, of course. But usually I'm like head to toe in men's stuff, so that was really a shock. But I'm just wearing a black Adidas hat, a black Adidas tank top that I cropped because I'm showing like the Calvin Klein bra underneath, and then these Ivy Park shorts. Let me just zoom you guys in so you can see how it looks up close. She's looking fierce with the tattoos on though. Very, very natural, but you still like enhance certain things, covered up certain things without doing too much. Which is probably how I should have been looking in that other video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!